Update on the court proceeding between Labour Party, APC and INEC. The court started about 3 p.m. today. Before the court started, as usual, you can see PO, that is PeterObi, walked into the court. Today is a special day. As PeterObi walked in quietly, without much people noticing him, he just went into the court. We stood outside and began to see an avalanche of evidence being brought in bags, in SUVs, all packed in plastic containers. Many people believe that today the Labour Party would overwhelm the court. Not only that they have these evidences as stacked here, they also have brought in a television just to show something that has never been seen in the court. But that does not mean that you may not have seen the video, but for the first time, these videos will be played in court. Evidences abound. We've seen vehicles bringing them, people offloading them, bringing them into court. It was indeed a sight to behold. This actually shows how serious the Labour Party has taken this case. I think one of the mistakes INEC made in the 2023 election is to steal from the wrong person, PeterObi. Television is being brought into the court. Everything is being set. The boxes are well arranged and be rearranged again for ease of presentation. Things are getting ready. Some people jokingly said in the court, it's going to go down because they have never, since they've been coming to court, seen a thing like this. Fasten your seatbelt is going to indeed get hot. As the court started, Okutekpa, SAN, legal counsel for Labour Party, stood up and mentioned that 2 sets of subpoena was served on Channels TV. That means Channels TV was going to come to court under oath to tender some files. Representing Channels TV is one Lucky O. When he was asked, he said that he's a senior reporter and an editor working for Channels TV. Legal counsel asked him, you recall that 2 sets of subpoena were served on Channels TV to appear and produce certain videos? And he answered, yes, my lord. One was served on the 30th of May and the second one on the 6th of June. And he said again, yes, my lord. Do you have the copies of these subpoenas? Yes, they are here with me. And the case continued. At about 4:18, Okutekpa, SAN, who is the legal counsel for Labour Party, pursuant to these copies of subpoena, you came with a written statement on oath. What do you want to do with it? Yes, I want to adopt it. So basically, they've gone ahead and adopted it. Now he has to testify. So argument ensued, back and forth. At some point, about some minutes to 5, the judge jokingly said, now I want to watch the film. So you people should hurry up. So the legal counsel continued. You were asked to provide recordings of live interview of Professor Mahmood and Festus Okoye. Where are they? After much argument, the court has now admitted the flash drive and tagged it Exhibit PBH3 and the second one Exhibit PBH4. The drama in court continued until 6 p.m. There was argument from the second respondent and third respondent, that is APC and INEC, rejecting for the tape to be played. Many Nigerians would then be asking, why are these people objecting for this tape to be played in court? Though the court then made clarifications that the objection is not to stop them from playing the tape, but to stop them from playing it now until other parties have gotten their own copies. The moment it was 6 o'clock, the court then ruled that everything is going to be stepped down until tomorrow, Saturday, the 10th of June 2023.
Jamin.
Yes, Daddy.
You and your daddy. Are you going home?